Hello. So I'm in the market and the market is still closed. I'm too early. So by the way guys, I want to share you, this is the mountain of the snow. The leftover of this snowy day is still a mountain of ice because yesterday is very cold. So hopefully today is going to be warm and it's gonna melt because it's a mountain of ice still. But see there. Anyway guys, sun is shining very nicely and Hampton now is getting busy now. Everybody is driving around, everybody is buying stuff for the garden. Anyway, that's it for now because I don't want to run out the my internet. Anyway, this is my if you return your empty bottles, the recycling, so for every one bottle you get 5 cents. It depends. Some bottles are some of them are a little bit more money, like 10 cents, but most of them is 5 cents. See, you just stick it inside the round hole and you get 5 cents in every bottle. Okay guys, that's it I can share for the town of Southampton, the grocery. Okay, I'm going to show you the last thing. I'm going to show you the potting soil. They already put out some potting soil. See guys, see, where is it? There, the potting soil. All right, bye.